Doors are closing. Next station, Sembawang. Please do not leave your belongings unattended. If you see any suspicious-looking person or article, please inform our staff or press the emergency communication button located at the side of the train doors. Sembawang. Sembawang. Doors are closing. Next station, Canberra. Keep our stations and trains clean. Please do not eat or drink in stations or on board trains. Thank you.
To prevent the spread of COVID-19 through droplets, please do not talk to public or on your mobile phone in the train. 为防止2019冠状病毒通过飞沫传播，在地铁上请不要与他人交谈或用手机说话。Untuk meringankan penyebaran COVID-19 melalui tulisan, jangan bercakap dengan orang lain atau bertanya bimbit anda ke saudara hari. Atau berkumpul cerita dari kawasan ini, dan 反映甚至不能被人அல்லது கைபேசியை பேசாதீர்கள்.
Alright guys, so I'm at Canberra. So guys, I took 201, 202, 250, 250 running as 201, 201, 202 running as 250. So yes, here is 201, 202. A very nice train. SIE at Canberra is nice. So two data. This one trying to get rid of 201 to go back east west line. 237 came in. So they run as 250 to just UPD. So yeah, the departure of 201, 202. Pretty nice to see SIEs at Canberra, but it's normal set, but still better. First of all, I realized they put noise barriers over there. Second of all, I realized there's a new seats. They put noise barriers here, which is kind of annoying. It's a very weird thing to see. It's quite annoying, noise barriers. So like that. I'm trying to see 445 anything on it, because 445, 446 normally something. So I'm trying to see what's 445 and then maybe take 446. Take 445 or 446 because I don't want to take 443. I got at Canberra. I don't take 250 to Jurong East. So like yeah. So I got out and spot a bit here. Hopefully 445 or something, or at least 446. 445, 446 or something. So I can take. But 207 came in, which I really need to take. 207, 208, 443. No, 439. 443 is 237. So that 3 SIEs today. 207 is 439, which I really need to catch as well. 439, 207 I really need to catch. Everyone has got it. Most common old logo, but I still haven't got it. So yeah guys, if you realize, a lot of stations have these now up on my feet. This thing, it's a WeCat thing. Basically it's a lot of stations right now, this thing. Okay, here comes 237. I hate to take that idiot. 237 is my least favorite hazard, but then no choice. Okay, no choice to take 237, 238. Here is 237. They're stuck on one train run. I don't really want to take. Is this 238 or 237 is leading? They better be. I want to. Oh. Damn guys, there's very little chance there. There's very little. At least I saw 519520 my rep. Shiny as heck. Looking good. Shiny new stickers. Man, at least I got at least 519520 is here. If not, I'll be very pissed. I'm very pissed already that they're not trains. But at least 519520 is there. I'm so pissed that there's so little trains today. So basically 445 and 46 there was nothing for me to take. I took 237 back home. I don't want to take 237. So I have to wait. I'm waiting for 201 to turn back. I took it northbound. I'm waiting for it to turn back southbound. I've been here for 1 hour doing absolutely nothing. I just took the 201. I'm gonna go and try to get some footage of strong motor. It's a very bad train spotting. Every time 237 is around, it's gonna be very bad train spotting. Every time 237 is around, train spotting is bad. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, 109.110 has been spotted. 109.110 spotted. So basically that train will be doing 437 very rare. But 109.110, that's weird as shit. But it's going to do last train to UT. From UT or do last train to UT to draw this. I think so. 109. So 201 is gonna come that side. So them are gonna meet. 1 and 109 is gonna meet at Canberra. It's a very good scene. Both non KSF. So alright, yep. 109 is gonna meet 209 close. 201 coming. This is our departure scene. Let's go. I need to snap some photos of this. Let's go. Okay, taking this 109 and 201. Okay, so that is the one with the reserve seat sticker. I don't know when's the last time I picked this, but like, yeah, this one is good because it's the reserve seat stickers. I haven't filmed here before, so. Alright guys, I'm sitting here. It's a good spot. You can listen to the Moto Treasure 2202 somewhat. Yep, it's very good. The motor is very good here. I never rented it often.